Hey everyone, today I am going to flip through Rose and Her Friends. This is by Korilynn VanDyke. I probably got that wrong. So I had seen this on a few other channels and I decided to order it. And when it first came, I was like, oh shoot, is this Create Space paper? But I'm going to tell you right now, it's not. So, it is Create Space paper, but it is the nicer Create Space paper. So the type that you get in the Daria Karakowski books and Christine Caron. Words are hard. So that type of Create Space paper is what's in this book. So yeah, just keep that in mind. But let's take a peek at this. So this is really cute, and the style kind of reminds me of the Coloriage books, only not as many bugs. So it's super adorable there. Okay, so you have some that are already colored in. Don't they just kind of give you that Coloriage Wild vibe? Like, especially these here. I don't know, that's just kind of what I got when I saw it. Then we have some tips before you start. All right, and then we have our first gal here. Super cute. It does have a little bit of a, I don't know how to explain it. It's definitely more like that other paper. And then the back is black, but really shiny. That's super cute too. This is one where we saw it colored. See a little bug there. Okay, that one they showed color. This would be good to do for Christmas, actually. I do like that it has a black background, so if you do like a marker base or something, it's not going to show through. Oh, that's cute. I get, oh, her sunglasses. That's funny. I like that one too. Now, this book is a little bit more, but again, it's not Create Space paper. When it first came and I saw like the binding and how thin it was, I was like, oh no. So I had to open it. It is a little scary with that, what is that, a cobra, a viper? I don't know. This one gives me big Coloriage vibes. Quite a similar style, but not like a copy. Definitely some artistic differences. That one's the cover one. Oh, that's adorable. Oh, I want to color it just for the hair. That's cute too. That's a fun one. And of course, you can always scan and put it on different paper if you don't like that upgraded Create Space paper. Little sucker in her mouth. Okay, and then we have color test pages. So we got 2 color test pages. She even on the back here has her hashtag, so you can share it with her website. So she's a French artist. And then just a blank sheet. And then yeah, on the back of the book, it does show you some of the images. This one actually would be really fun to do, I think, just because background opportunities. So yeah, that is Rose and Her Friends. If some of you have probably already seen this floating about, but I just thought I would share it because I did purchase it. If there's any pages you would like to see like a color along in, I always like to know when I do these flip throughs. So yeah, if you have it, let me know what you think of it. But until next time, everyone, take care. Bye now.